Okay, y'all. I've got the cylinder heads out of the cleaning solution, and I got them out here on my concrete out here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pressure wash them and get even more of that crud off of there. I've just got just a basic like 1700 psi electric pressure washer. Nothing, no big, nothing. It wasn't even all that expensive when we bought it. So, but I want to say, first of all, I want to say thank you to you all for watching the videos. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it. So let's get this started and let's get this going, and let's see how good this cleaning solution works, and see how much money we can save here doing this. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a minute. Okay, so let's look and see what's accomplished here. Still some more cleaning's gonna need to be done. The tub I had this one in, I couldn't submerge the head completely. So anyway, so that head, this particular head is gonna go back in for more soaking. The other one may have to do the same. Oh man. So I didn't even pressure wash this side very much. But you can see there's quite a bit down in here we're gonna have to get. So anyway, I'm going to carry on, and I'm probably going to pause the video because this is probably pretty boring to watch. You probably want to see the after effects. So this head here was able to be submerged completely. It's looking better. So anyway, let me pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, as you can see, significant improvement. This one's going to go back into the pressure washer and go for more cleaning. Not pressure washer, sorry. This is going to go back into the solution for more cleaning, so that's what I'm going to do. And then this one, I'm going to pressure wash that one quite a bit more. So anyway, all right. I'm going to pause this, and let me show you this. Yeah. Engine side there is, it's just remarkably clean. A lot of the carbon is out of it and stuff like that. Still a little bit of carbon in some of these exhaust ports, but that's almost to be expected. So, alrighty. Okay. So, put that one back in. Keep pressure washing this one, and keep moving on. Alright, so pause this. Be right back. Okay, y'all. This white, creamy looking stuff, that is oven cleaner. Soak the head down in oven cleaner for about 20 minutes, and some improvement here and there. We can see right there, I've got a little flash rusting already starting there on the end of the cylinder head. I'm going to use some compressed air. You can see this thing has gotten very, very clean. And it's really, really nice. So I'm going to use compressed air, dry this thing off, and then I'm going to use some PB Blaster and just saturate it to keep it from rusting. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And as you can see, I've been using die grinder and my cordless drill to help clean off the old gasket, any old gasket surfaces or anything like that. Why don't I go ahead and get my straight edge and feeder gauge and measure this for flatness. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back, and we'll check the straight level. Okay, I put a 2 under there. So here in the center, it's bowed up just a little bit, but we're talking 2/1000ths. They can get under there, so I'm going to step it up a little bit. One, two. Here's 4. Then on the end, here's a 5. It's just right around. See, if you go, I know this ain't much for straight edge, I mean it is, but it is a metal ruler. I've had it for years. Okay, that was 3. So it's a 5. No. I'm saying this head's pretty level. Pretty good in a lot of different places. Of course, I'm not looking in the manual right now and finding out what the specs are. but I'll look those up in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing down with some penetrating oil, some PB Blaster, and we'll get that taken care of. That fluid you see coming out of those out of the intake valve seats, valve ports, that's brake part cleaner. Whenever you do clean cast iron, metal of any sort, after you get done cleaning, it's a really good idea. Go ahead and go back and spray everything down with some sort of oil of some sort. Yeah, that's not going to stand up there. Yeah, you need to spray it down with some sort of oil, some sort, to keep the flash rusting and stuff at bay. Keep the rust from forming on vital parts of the cylinder head. Okay, all right. I'm going to go take this cylinder head and I'm probably going to put it on my workbench or something like that. I'm going to cover it up. And I've still got to rinse off the valves, which are, no, they're right there. Yeah, they're right there. And I got the springs and everything like that in there. So once I get everything rinsed off, then they'll get that PB Blaster on them too to keep the rust down. But I think that's going to be about it. I really do appreciate everybody for watching. So this is just a quick little update to show you, how good that cleaner works. Now let me, I mentioned the cost. Okay, I bought like four jugs of this. LA's Totally Awesome. And it was like, I think it was something like that and a couple other things. I think it was all like $20-something. So that's not a whole lot of money. Right there's the other head right there. So now I can go ahead and tell you that this DMX, okay, it's all right. It's not my fave, but it'll do in a pinch. So. All right, so anyway, let's see, 20-something bucks, some labor, some water, a little bit of your time, and you can clean up your own parts without having to go to the machine shop and pay, the fees that they charge for that, which some places they're about right, and in some places not so much. But if you can save some money here and there, that's always a good idea. Alright, so I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody for all the thumbs ups, the likes, and the shares. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to comment down below, and I will get to you and share everything with you, okay? Thank you so much for watching. God bless.